All right, so I'll explain where we're at in just a minute. I just ran out here to get the camera. This is concerning Casey's first gen Bronco. We're exploring our options.
So this one had been T-boned and rolled, and it was completely rotted out. You can see some of the panels that we removed from in here. Nothing was kind of like what you guys are dealing with. Let me lift it up and I'll show you. You know, rather than coming in and cutting it and trying to mend it in, you know, we go through painstakingly and cut all the spot welds out. So, you know, with your vehicle, the whole thing's not rotted away. We just have to remove what is. And they look.
You haven't seen it up.
I have some pictures to show you. So, I mean, essentially, as long as the top half is good, you're good. Same with the leaf springs. These are original from '46.
Good.
So
it's better to try to keep as much as you can.
on this particular one, because this is a family heirloom, so there's different ways we can do this. Sometimes people are like, I just want it to look cool. I don't care about the nostalgia. Then we hit the big box stores and be like, start ordering stuff, which is what I'll take you to next. So that's just an example. You know, we can, you know, if you want it to stay original and we can restore what we can, but also doesn't mean we have to buy everything new. Your front axle, it being the Dana 44, it's rough, but finding another one and actually restoring it correctly, two different things. So luckily, it's gonna be fine. Lay out some options.
That's what I need.
And I will steer you in the direction where the truck needs to be mechanically sound and safe.
Sure.
Then we can focus on spending the money on the pretty things.
Doesn't matter what you say anymore. It doesn't matter what you say anymore. It doesn't matter what you say anymore. It doesn't matter what you say anymore.
Turns out he built the exact car that she was using for references. I'm like,
You're gonna ride like your Jeep or Pop's truck.
oh, way worse than my Jeep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And I
Like your
always feel
dad.
like I'm driving.
Wait, no, my Broncos, they feel very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It'll have good pickup off the line, and you'll be able to keep up with traffic. And it's not going to drive like a
If
Jeep.
not, I'll just be slow and cute.
No surprise, you represent corruption. You've been on a path of destruction. So you side with America, yet you sympathize with the problem every chance that you get.
Here,
Yeah,
but kept the firewall.
yeah.
And if you come around to this side, I kept the integrity of the Crown Vic here.
Okay.
So what we'll do,
Oh.
and we can attach it. So look, it's still has the Crown Vic floor. And I'm gonna go down just a little bit more, but then this will all come in. The step goes here. This was a natural step. But then I brought the Crown Vic body all the way back.
No
so when
kidding.
I do my air tanks, all my airlines and everything are gonna run in there. So,
Dude.
but I get my AC. My AC is already tucked. I drove this into this spot.
Really?
No cut wires. It runs, and like you can start it up. No check engine light. About this is the bed and the cab are one piece, like a El Camino.
Is that why they call it Unibody? I never knew that.
Yeah.
I see them on Marketplace and I'm like, what? That's...
They only did 61 to 63, super rare. Mine was a numbers matching, I mean, down to the carburetor that my dad bought brand new. And I called him, I was like, hey, guess what I did this for?
Wait, your dad bought this brand new?
Oh yeah. My sister drove it, my mom drove it. I drove it in the Marine Corps for 10 years. I drove it as a work truck up until 2 years ago. I just set it on there. It's a perfect wheel gap. I love it.
Yeah.
Front, rear, you don't have to stretch anything. It just matches. Okay. So what we'd like to do is just a little back and forth and schedule a time to come see it, just so we are 100%. And from that point, what we're going to do is a kind of like a go, no go. Like, do you guys want to use us, and are we willing to take this on? So,
When you see it, you might be like,
Pack your bags, here's a bill for the rent. And don't forget to pay us back for every cent you spend. It's better